Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is one of my favorite installs today. Don't it look like scalp? Very much so giving scalp, very much so giving versatility as well. And once again, this is brought by one of my favorite companies, HerGivenHair. Y'all, HerGivenHair has some of the most beautiful hair, and this particular unit that I have is perfect for the summer, especially with this flip over install method. But let's get into some of the business and then we'll get into the unit. So you definitely can get supplies as far as extra clips, storage bags, pamphlets on how to take care of the unit. Speaking of the unit, this is a half wig, no headband, none of that. It's just simply a half wig. It has combs around the perimeter and a drawstring in the back. The cap is well, so you listen, you don't want the wind to be blowing and you be looking all sparse and stuff. So I'm sorry, y'all, they gonna kill me. But this is one of the most beautiful units. So let's get into the actual curls. This is the Burmese curls. I feel like it is perfect for the summer. It's so bouncy, juicy, just effortless, especially with this flip over look. And so I want to show you how I want to do the actual styling. So the first thing I do with my hair always is to curl it. Number one, just to make sure it's, it's giving fade approved. And number two, it brings the curls to life. So because I want that bouncy, juicy, effortless look, I use a styling cream. Mousses, styling foams and things like that, it gives you those curls, but it adds a little bit of hold. I didn't want that. I wanted something super juicy. And when it comes to the install, it's really easy. I left out about 2 inches of my hair in the front. Now y'all know I am transitioning, so I have 2 different textures. I have very kinky at the root, and then the ends they just giving something else. And so I found that it was easiest for me to get the blend with the volume, the styling mousse. With the curls itself on the unit, I want that really soft, but I need my hair to stay in place, which is why I want to use something with some hold. I did not want to use heat because it gets real addictive to using heat, and especially with me having 2 different textures, I didn't want to cause breakage, and you don't want to cause breakage with over processing your hair with all this heat and different things like that. So if you want to do a curl and wind for an occasion, of course it will help you with the blending, but for me, a good old flat 2-strand twist out gets the job done. So after I let the hair dry, I'm going to show you in real time what this looks like as you're applying it. I just go around the perimeter of my hair with the comb, and then I'm going to pull the drawstring in the back. Y'all, this is super easy, especially because the construction of this is so good. Just put the combs around the perimeter and then pull the drawstring in the back, tighten it up and tuck the string. Just pull it to the tightness that you like for your hair, just to feel real good and secure. I didn't even need pins when I used it. This drawstring is actually really good. And so once it's applied, I just kind of fluff the curls out. Can y'all see how it's that curling cream? It's just giving something. Like the curls were just so bouncy and perfect for the summer. Now, of course, all textures are beautiful, and HerGivenHair definitely does have other textures available, but I wanted the Burmese because I just feel like it's just so flowy and just so effortless for the summer. Now, once my natural hair, process hair, whatever you want to call it, is dry, just pull apart the 2-strand twist. Don't define it, don't separate it too much because you don't want to cause frizz. Just undo your twist and it will blend in very nicely to this hair. Now again, I was doing the flip over method because that is just, number one, it's very easy, number two, it's easy to blend with, and it does look the most natural. So after I take my twist down, I'm just going to start sorting through the hair, just kind of like moving it around, adding some volume, and then eventually right where I did the part in my natural hair, I'm going to do the flip over. Now I'm going to continue to shape, fluff, and do that until I get the volume that I want. And what I loved about this hair is that it was so soft. Is this not perfect for the summer? It was so soft, so fluffy, so just springy and natural, and it looked like my hair. Just like, look at it, it literally looks like my hair. Like all you have to do is take your twist out and flip it over your hair. Like you really don't even have to show anything except for your roots. Like it was so beautiful. HerGivenHair, they did their big one with this one. I just thought this was so, it's like, come on now, y'all know this look good. Like y'all know this look good. Yeah, I work with them, but y'all know that looks good. So I wanted to show you from all angles, just like seriously, the construction of this was good. It came with a really good quality. It didn't have a smell. It was no excessive shedding. Overall, this was a very good unit. But y'all know HerGivenHair is really the only company I work with now because I actually trust them. You hear me? And because y'all know what I said in the other video, I actually trust HerGivenHair. That's why I wanted to work with them. So again, flip over method, do a flat twist out if you don't want to use heat. If you want to use a curl and wind, you definitely can, but I didn't want to put any heat on my hair because I'm trying to preserve the health of it. So here's another style if you want to try something else. I am a lover of the half up, half down. So I wanted to show you that you don't have to just do the flip over method with this unit. If you want to try some other things, you can as well. So with that same amount of leave out, I'm just going to brush it up into a ponytail as flat as I can. And then I'm going to put it in an elastic and tie it down so that it can really, really mesh and melt. But while I'm showing you this, y'all, this hair, I cannot explain to you enough. Since I've recorded this, I've been to the gym with this hair multiple times. I've been rained on with this hair. This hair from HerGivenHair is absolutely beautiful. And yeah, I have a working relationship with them, but I'm telling y'all know I don't really fool with wig companies like that. This was one of the most beautiful, beautiful units that I ever had. Even when I got rained on, the volume of it that it got, it was so pretty. I wish I could show y'all. Like, it was literally beautiful, unlike this right here. But anyway, this hair was so gorgeous. So if you're looking for something flowy and bouncy for the summer, it's perfect for that. It's definitely year round, but definitely for the summer as well. Okay, getting back into the style. Once it's completely dry, I'm once again going to go in super, super easy. And I love the fact that I don't have to worry about glue. I don't have to worry about lace. All I have to worry about is making sure I put the combs in a comfortable place, making sure I'm not snatching it out so I don't do any damage to my hair. As long as I'm handling it with care. I have been wearing half wigs for quite some time. I've been working with HerGivenHair for quite some time. I never experienced breakage. I never experienced balding. I just make sure when I take the half wig off, I take it off with care. So anyway, once it's applied and I pull the drawstring, I'm going to pull out 2 sections of hair, one from each side, and then I'm going to pull it up into a ponytail. Just wrap all of this around with an elastic. I know I've been talking a lot, but y'all, when I tell y'all, I've not been this excited for a unit in so long. It was so pretty to me. But anyway, pull everything up into an elastic, put it all in the elastic together, and you'll be able to see it from there. So let me stop talking so y'all can actually see what it looks like to put this elastic on in real time. I know I've been chatting, but y'all, I love this wig so much. It was so pretty. Okay, let me shut up. Okay, I'll be back in a second. And this is me. I told you I was gonna shut up, didn't I? Anyway, this is me making sure I didn't pull too much from the back because I wanted to actually have a lot of volume. And I did not, as far as in the back, I didn't want to have a super poofy ponytail at the top of my head. So yeah, once I got it into the right amount, I'm gonna go ahead and put the elastic on, and then I'll give you the next step in the next part. But y'all, this turned out so cute. Like, I just feel like a little princess or whatever. Okay, I told you I was gonna shut up. I did, didn't I? Okay, I'm gonna do that. Let me do that right now. And I'm still talking. Lord Jesus. Oh, okay. Okay, now I have the right to talk now, okay? So once I'm sorry. I know somebody like, she talks too much. You annoying. Shut up. Whatever. Okay, so pull your real hair out, and then you're going to do just a simple plait. And once you plait it all the way down, you're going to wrap it around the base of the elastic just to cover it up. And you're going to pin it in place. And once you pin it in place, you're going to take a small amount of the unit and cover up that braid just so it can all look just really flowy. And that will be another style that you can do with this unit. Half wigs are so versatile, whether you want to put a headband on it, whether you want to do a flip over method, whether you want to do this half up, half down, there's so much you can do with this half wig. I love this particular texture for the summer just because I feel like it gives, like, you know, it just gives something different. Because I usually do tighter textures, especially to blend it with my natural hair. But with this, whether I do a flat twist out or a wide curl, it looks good. So this was the finished result. Y'all, HerGivenHair, they knocked it out of the park with this. This Burmese curly was so beautiful, soft, easy to manage. And this is me turning around and y'all see it. This is easy to manage. Like, seriously, this is one of my favorite units. So if you're interested in this particular half wig or any other wig that HerGivenHair has to offer, click the link in my description box. You can check them out and see everything they have to offer. So you can either do, you know, this half up, half down, or go back to the flip over. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. I love y'all, Maki Dada, and I'm out this piece. I know I was talking a lot, but girl, she was looking cute. Okay, thank you. Bye.